Why are you scared?
I'm scared of goats.
You're scared of the goats? But you're gonna go feed them.
I don't want to feed them.
Come on, I'll show you. You don't want to feed them?
No, I'm scared of that one. You do. Feed me.
It's okay. Get closer. Yeah.
Why really the billy goat? See you next week.
Did you have fun today?
Yes! Just saw my best friend today.
Who do you see?
Natalie.
Natalie. You guys just played. I like your jammies.
Thank you. My grandma named Cece. She bought it for me.